Meet the challenge. That's the theme of Myrtle Beach Grand Prix, and that's what this video is all about.
From dream to reality, that is what Jack Lazarus accomplished when he transformed his love of Formula One racing into a business model that has essentially transformed Myrtle Beach. A native of Chesterfield, Jack Lazarus used to spend his days selling pots, pans, and even Johnson & Murphy shoes door to door before opening his own Volkswagen dealership in Gastonia, North Carolina.
A guy named Tom Baugh and Les Morris were friends of, he was in the auto business in Gastonia years ago. And they saw an opportunity to do something, and they talked to Jack about coming down and opening the Grand Prix. And then they did Wild Water and Wheels down further south in Surfside.
Well, it's been a great experience. We moved to the Myrtle Beach area in 1976. He came to Myrtle Beach with virtually nothing and built something and really did it the right way.
I want to welcome all of you to the Myrtle Beach Grand Prix family. My name is Jack Lazarus.
It was a good experience growing up with my father. Learned a lot from him. The knowledge that, of course, me and my brother got from him through all the years of working with him has helped us through life and in business and personal. It has been a fantastic experience having Jack Lazarus as my father.
He worked hard and he created a real attraction. He really did add to the entertainment available in the Myrtle Beach area.
Jack was one of the first people I met when I came to Myrtle Beach, and actually one of my first customers. Well, the greatest thing about Jack is what you see is what you get. So some of the things that he shares with you may be a little bit to the point, but the good news is he was normally right about his suggestions to me and how I could go along Myrtle Beach and do more business and meet more people. And so to this day, he's always the same, and I appreciate that about him.
Without what he thought of, none of this would be here. So we really just kind of appreciate the fact that he's our leader whenever we need something. For one time we were getting a lot of the go-karts together. We were having a really hard time trying to figure out how we were going to move the go-karts from here in our parking lot to a different state. Jack just came up with a great idea of how to build a double-decker trailer for a tractor trailer, and just came out here and do this, do that, do that, and it was done, and we were ready to go.
Really was a pioneer on what has been copied throughout the United States of America, and what you go to family entertainment centers, it really came from my father. The go-karts, the bumper boats, the arcades, and so forth. And
that passion, he always had a vision to provide racing, an attempt to let people drive real race cars. When he came here, he started an entertainment or an amusement that was not known. A lot of go-karts and a Grand Prix car that were miniature formula race cars for people to drive, and it became a stalwart of the entertainment industry. He's written up in magazines nation and internationally about the amusements that he created. And the greatest thing that he always did is when he saw a family out having fun and something for the little one wasn't there, the smallest of children couldn't ride, he created some type of amusement or entertainment for that child, because he didn't want to see anybody left out. He wanted to see everybody leave with a smile on their face.
We've worked hard to build this business into one of the main attractions in the Southeast.
The biggest thing was having a son named Mark. That was the most he did for the community. I was told it was all right to say that.
During that time, my dad has laid the groundwork, has given me the opportunities to the successes that I have today. With that, he taught us to work hard, great work ethic. When I first started in the business, I was too young to run the rides, but I cleaned toilets and picked up cigarette butts. So just being the owner's son, I was told I had to start from the bottom, and I did. And that's probably the greatest thing that he did for me, because I learned the business all the way up. Every year, many come back and appreciate the opportunity that he gave them to get started in business, and he gave us that opportunity too. So I think the greatest gift he gave me was the opportunities.
His vision of entertaining guests through the power of racing won't be coming to the finish line anytime soon. For almost 40 years, Jack Lazarus has entertained millions of guests through his parks, as well as set the standard in the amusement park industry.
To honor my dad in this way is a great thing. It's been great. I can't say thank you enough, and the last thing I will say is, Jack, we're back.
Well, his greatest asset is a family man. He's very devoted to his kids and his grandchildren, and of course Bonnie, his wife.
Just as important, Jack Lazarus has made his dream a family affair, as the torch has been passed to his children and now his grandchildren.
I know he has a twinkle in his eye when he comes in and sees Christina at work every day.
The Myrtle Beach Area Chamber of Commerce is proud to honor Jack Lazarus as its 2015 Pioneer of the Year.